What's up smart people, in this video I'm going to tell you 5 awesome computer shortcut key tricks that you must try right now. Number 1 shortcut key is to minimize all the open program at once. If you are in hurry and want to minimize all the open programs at once on your computer, then you should press Win plus D key from your keyboard. When you press Win plus D key from your keyboard, all the open program will be minimized, and you can again maximize them by pressing Win plus D shortcut key. Number 2. Open Windows setting quickly. There is also one shortcut key to open Windows operating system setting. If you press Win plus I key from your keyboard, then the Windows setting will open. Try it right now on your computer. Number 3. Shut down your computer quickly. Many people usually shut down their computer using a mouse. First of all, they click on start button, then click on power button, then click on shut down. But that is very lengthy process. There is also a shortcut key to shut down the computer real quick. If you press Alt plus F4 plus enter key from your keyboard, then your computer will shut down. You can try it after watching this video. Number 4. Lock your computer. If you want to lock your computer quickly, then press Win plus L key from your keyboard. And this is one of the useful shortcut key for me, and it can even become for you too. Number 5. Delete the file permanently at once. When you delete any file from your file explorer, it goes into recycle bin. To remove it from recycle bin, you open recycle bin and delete that file, right? But what if I tell you there is also a shortcut key to delete the file permanently? You doesn't need to open recycle bin again to delete that file permanently. Simply select the file and press Shift plus Delete key from your keyboard. If you press Shift plus Delete key from your keyboard, then you will see a pop-up window to delete the file permanently. And that's how you can delete the file permanently at once. You doesn't need to open recycle bin again. Here is one bonus shortcut key for you for watching this video till here. If you press Win plus E key from your keyboard, then your Windows File Explorer will open. You can try it right now. Now, if you want to know how to create a text reader on your Windows 10, you can click on this video and watch it right now. And also don't forget to subscribe the channel, okay?